Hello, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to check your phone model. Like, sometimes you buy a phone, you don't know there is a new phone, there is a refurbished phone or replacement phone. I'm going to show you how to see. This is a very short video, so please stay with me until the end. Okay, let's start. So let's say today you go to Apple store or you buy some Apple phone from any other shop and you don't know this is a new phone or it's a refurbished phone. You want to check. How do you check? Very easy. Two method. There's two method. First, call Apple and then ask them how to check. Second method is watch this video and then give a like to this video. Let's start. Okay. First, simple. Go to setting. Then general. Okay. General. Come to about. Okay. From the about, you can see a model number. Okay. No need to care what is behind the model number. Just see the front. The front. Remember I say the front. So you can see my one start with M. Okay. M. What does M mean? M mean it's a brand new phone. Mean you bought it from Apple, brand new. Box, seal, never used before. Fresh, come out from the factory. Then if you see the front start with F, you mean this M start with F, that means that is a refurbished device. Mean this device has been sent to Apple Reworks. It's a refurbished device. Okay. If you see N, N mean replacement unit. What is mean replacement unit? Mean you bring your phone, go to Apple store when it has problem, then Apple replace the phone for you. You can check your phone model number will start with N. Okay, that means there is a replacement unit. Then there is another alphabet that is P. Front P. So what does P mean? P mean is a personalized phone. Mean this phone has been customized. What type of customized? Maybe engraving. Last time you can engrave the wording at the back of your phone. Yeah, that one it will show with P. That's it. This is how you check. There's only four character. M, new phone. N, replacement phone. F, refurbished phone. P, personalized phone. These four. Okay, I hope you can get some information from this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video from me. And thank you so much. Bye.